years ago, nasa paanan ni Michael Jackson ang buong mundo. Ang lahat, tinutukan ang kanyang bawat idak at bawat galaw. Ang bansag sa kanya, ang nag-iisang King of Pop. Sa ilang dekada, siya ang isa sa nagbigay kahulugan at kulay sa pop music. Pero, ano nga ba ang napaka-espesyal kay Michael Jackson? Ako po si Boy Abunda, and this is The Michael Jackson Story.
Michael is so successful, and he's accomplished so much in his life, that I personally feel that it has led him down a very lonely road.
Michael was a singing, dancing sensation. He took music to a completely different level.
Very few individuals who have been allowed to have that kind of fame. Oh, what it cost, though. At what it cost.
He's influenced styles, he's influenced singing, he's influenced dancing, he's influenced videos for sure. He is the ultimate artist.
Pero maging sa mundong kanyang kinalakhan, which was showbiz, ang turing kay Jackson kakaiba. 2003, sa pagkakaaresto kay Michael Jackson, tila gumuho ang mundo ng popstar. Sa mga korte, isa siyang akusado sa mga mahalay na krimeng kanya di umanong ginawa. 2 taon matapos nito, pinawalang sala si Jackson. Ngunit ang masakit na kapalit, ang tila nawasak ring kinabukasan ng kanyang karera at pangalan. Pero hindi bumigay si Michael Jackson. Ang mga fans ng King of Pop di magkamayaw sa kanyang malaking announcement ngayong taon. Ang simula ng isang higanteng concert series sa London. Ang lahat nabuhayan.
These will be my final show performances in London.
Sa lawak at dami ng pagkakaalam natin kay Michael Jackson, eskandalo man o balita, nakakaligtaan natin kung bakit siya tunay na napag-uusapan, kung bakit siya ang nasa sentro ng atensyon, at ito ay ang kanyang musika. Ang tagumpay na narating niya, wala pang nakakapantay. Siya ang may makasaysayang biggest-selling album ever. Ang mga concerts niya, may pinakamalalaking audience. Ang biggest-selling video sa kanya. At siya ang tinaguriang pinaka-awarded na artist. Halimbawa, sa isang awards night lamang, ang Grammy trophies niya, 8 sa isang hakutan lamang. Ang dekada 80 at 90, sinasabing pinakamalalaking mga taon ng King of Pop. Pero 1970s pa lamang ang music charts, pag-aari na ng The Jacksons.
The old songs, the old-fashioned way.
Nagsimula si Michael Jackson sa showbiz. Bata pa lamang, natuklasan na ng magkakapatid na pamilya Jackson. Kabilang sina Jackie, Tito, Jermaine at Marlon na ang lahat may boses at tenga para sa musika.
Thing we're gonna do is one of the songs, one of our family themes, so I hope you enjoy it.
My sister and I
we loved to sing together. And after we got married, and when we were recording, Joe and I used to sing a lot. So when the kids came along, and we sang together, and they were just little kids. When the television would break down and it's snowing outside, we'd just sit in the house and sing all day on Saturday and Sunday or something like that until we got the TV back. We sang country western songs, and we'd sing folk songs. And I discovered then they had perfect harmony, and so that's what happened.
1958, sa Gary, Indiana sa Amerika, ipinanganak si Michael Jackson. Ang ama niyang si Joe nagtatrabaho sa paggawaan ng bakal. Pinangarap noon ng ama na makapagsimula ng karera sa musika. Ngunit dahil sa pangarap na ito, nakaligtaan naman niyang bigyang pansin ang kakayahan at pangarap ng kanyang mga anak.
I said, why don't you listen to them? I think they sound pretty good. And so he finally, after persuading him, he finally listened.
Tito was playing a Motown song, and we started making harmony, and he said, wow. So he started investing time and money into getting instruments and us getting together and start singing more Motown music. We would move the table because it was a small house the size of a two-car garage. And we would pull all our stuff out, and we'd be rehearsing. The doorbell would ring, and it'd be a neighbor across the street. But can they come out to play? And I said, no, not today. We have a show that we're practicing.
He started working with them every single day. Every day. And he never let go. He never stopped. And he kept pushing them to improve and to get better and to get better. And yes, they did.
Sa aming pagbabalik, balikan natin ang mabilis na pagsikat ng batang si Michael Jackson. Ito kaya ang dahilan kung bakit unti-unti naman siyang nagtago sa sarili niyang anino. Is the Michael